It's summer! Do you know what that means? It's time for backyard barbecue and fishing! Hey everyone, it's Erwina. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to grill fish the Indonesian way, aka the proper way. This time I'm going to grill sheepheads with a mouth-watering sauce made from garlic, lime, butter, and soy sauce. Stay tuned to see all of my best tips for making the grilled fish taste so good, just like at the restaurant in Indonesia. But before we get started, our fans want to say hello.
Smile. Say cheese.
Cheese! And I'm hungry, so let's get started. First, get the fish. I'm using whole sheephead, or sometimes I use snapperr. Just choose a firm, flesh fish, about 2-3 pound weight. And when I'm grilling, I like it best to grill the whole fish with the heads on and not the fillet. Just make sure to ask your fishmonger to gut and descale the fish. And be careful not to eat the bones. Use a sharp knife to cut through the fish skin, just like this, so the marinade will get into the fish better. Squeeze 2 to 3 tablespoons of lime juice or lemon. Run your fingers gently over the length of the fish and rub in the lime and salt into the cut and inside the cavity. After rubbing and massaging, let's set that aside while we make the paste for the marinade. You will need 1 inch of ginger, 3 shallot or half onion, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, and 1 tablespoon coriander seed, powder or whole. Using a blender, add a little bit of oil or water and make a smooth paste. In a small saucepan over medium heat, add 2 tablespoons oil and stir fry the sauce paste you just made. Add the turmeric powder along with 1 teaspoon of salt and an option of 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Then keep stirring until it's cooked, about 10 minutes. Then add in 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and stir until the butter melts. Set that aside to cool slightly. Easy, right? Now, when the sauce is cool, add 1 cup of sweet soy sauce. It is important to use the sweet soy sauce, not regular Chinese soy sauce, because it's going to make a completely different taste. Give it a good stir and you're good to go. Use a brush to spread the sauce evenly over the top and sides of the fish. Set that aside to marinate and rest, while you preheat the grill to medium heat at 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now our best tip for keeping fish from sticking to the grill is to use a fish grill or to oil the grates. Fish grates are my favorite because they're making turning the whole fish so easy. Alright, our grill is ready and we are going to place the fish onto the hot grill. Cover and cook the fish for about 8 minutes on the first side. Then open the grill and carefully flip the fish over. The fish should release easily once it's ready to flip. And if you are having trouble flipping, give it another minute and try again. Make sure to baste the fish with the remaining sauce. It will infuse great flavor while it grills. Cover and grill for another 8 minutes or until the internal temperature reaches at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it is time for the taste test. Who is excited? I know I am! So this is how we Indonesian grill and eat the fish the proper way. It's easy, right?
On the most fish. I'm hungry.
You're all hungry.
Delicious. Delicious.
Alright, that's a wrap. Try this recipe and I'm sure it's gonna become a new favorite grill recipe for you. We'll see you in the next video.